In this ever-evolving economy, having a side hustle is not just a way to make extra cash, but it's also a chance to explore your passions, skills, and talents. We're about to delve into 5 side hustles that have proven to be profitable, providing real-life examples to inspire and guide you. So, are you ready to dive into the world of profitable side hustles? Let's get started. First up, we've got freelancing, an increasingly popular way to make some extra cash. Freelancing is all about using your skills and talents to provide services to clients on a project-by-project basis. This could mean anything from writing articles and designing logos to programming apps and translating documents. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork make it easy to connect with clients from all over the world. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to take control of your work, your time, and your earnings. Freelancing is a great way to put your skills to work and make a nice chunk of change. Next on our list, we have food delivery. With the rise of apps like Grubhub, Bolt, DoorDash, and Uber Eats, delivering food has become an increasingly popular side hustle. It's not just about pizzas anymore. You can deliver anything from sushi to gourmet burgers, all while earning a tidy sum. The beauty of this gig is its flexibility. You can choose your hours and work as much or as little as you want. Potential earnings can vary, but with tips and peak hour surges, you might be surprised at how much you can make. So, if you've got a reliable vehicle and some free time, food delivery could be your ticket to extra income. Our third side hustle is online tutoring and consulting, a brilliant way to share your knowledge or offer consulting services and earn money. Platforms such as VIPKid, Chegg, Udemy, Coursera, Teachable, etc. offer opportunities to tutor in a variety of subjects or expertise, while consulting can be done through platforms like Clarity.fm, Catalant, Codementor, etc. Potential earnings vary significantly, but with dedication and expertise, you can make a handsome amount every month. Remember, this isn't just about making extra cash, it's about imparting knowledge and making a difference in someone's life. Fourth on our list is selling handmade goods, designs, or sourced products. Imagine turning your creative or design prowess into a profitable venture. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Ecwid, etc. provide an excellent marketplace for artisans to showcase their unique creations. The beauty of this side hustle is that it truly embraces your individual flair, be it in making jewelry, designing clothing, crafting artwork, or even creating bespoke furniture. The potential earnings? Well, they can be quite impressive, particularly if your work resonates with the tastes of the e-commerce community. So if you're crafty and creative, selling handmade goods can turn your passion into profit. Last but not least, we have renting out a room on Airbnb. Airbnb is a platform that allows you to rent out your space to travelers and explorers from around the globe. Your potential earnings can be quite substantial, depending on factors such as your location, the quality of your space, and the amenities you offer. A room in the heart of the city, or a cozy countryside cottage, can fetch a good price. And let's not forget those little extras like free Wi-Fi, a comfy bed, and a well-stocked kitchen. They can really make your listing stand out. Renting out a room on Airbnb can be a lucrative side hustle, especially if you have a spare room just gathering dust. So, there you have it, folks. 5 side hustles that actually make money. Note that the list is more than this. I have only highlighted 5 of them. If you would like me to dive deeper into any of these side hustles, show you how to start, and what tool or platform I recommend, like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these side hustles are you going to try? Let us know in the comments below.